Hi students, how are you? Hope all are fine. In the last class, we have drawn a picture using the tools in color paint. Hope all of you enjoyed the video, and also I have given you the notes for chapter 1 poetic pictures. Today we are going to discuss the new chapter 2, eclipse scenes, and we are going to use an application called stellarium. In this chapter we will discuss some of the tools used in stellarium, and also we can view all the things in the sky in our computer screen, for example sun, moon, the planets, and also the solar eclipses in our computer screen. So this chapter is very interesting. Please listen, my dear students. So let us start our second chapter. So our chapter name is Eclipse Scenes, and we are using an application called stellarium. Okay, stellarium. Okay, so these are the topics which we are going to discuss in this chapter. So first I'll give an introduction about this application stellarium. Second, we will discuss how to open the software stellarium. Okay students, and third, we will discuss how to use stellarium application. We must be familiar with the application, right? So I'll explain in detail at that time. And fourth, we will discuss the tools used in stellarium. This is very important topic. Okay, and finally we will do an activity that viewing eclipse in stellarium. How to view eclipse in stellarium. Okay, so these are the topics which we are going to discuss in this chapter. So let us start, my dear students. Okay, so first one is stellarium introduction. So I have written here, stellarium software is used to simulate the scenes from the sky on the computer screen. Okay, so don't by heart it like that. Please understand and study. Okay students, so what do you mean by simulate the scene from the sky on the computer screen? What do you mean by simulate the scenes? It's nothing but whatever things we can see in the sky, for example sun, moon, planets, eclipses. Okay, whatever things we can see in the sky can also be seen on the computer screen. Is it clear, my dear students? I repeat, whatever things we can see in the sky, for example sun, moon, planets, eclipses, etc., in the sky can also be seen on the computer screen. Okay, so that is the meaning of that. Simulate scenes from the sky on the computer screen. Okay, so all these things, all these objects can be seen in computer screen. Okay, using this stellarium software. Okay, so hope all are clear about the concept, the introduction of stellarium. Okay, now what is the next topic? How to open the application stellarium. So I have written here there are 3 steps. First step is you have to go to application. Second step, education or science, you can use any one. And finally click on Stellarium. Okay, so I'll show it, then it will be very clear for you. Okay, so at the top left corner you can see here application. Make a left click on that. Now you can see here education. Okay, then you can see here Stellarium. Okay, you just make a click on that. Now the application will be open. So this is our Stellarium window. You can see here, this is sun, this is moon. Okay, so these things can be seen in our computer screen. The sky, everything can be seen in our computer screen. Our next topic is how to use Stellarium application. Okay, we must be familiar with our software. Okay, so there are some tips here. I'll explain each one by one. First one is click and drag. Okay, on the screen to view different parts of the sky. Okay, so we can do that in Stellarium. Now what you have to do, click and drag like this. Now you can see, you click anywhere and drag like this, so you can see the screen is also moving. Is it clear, my dear students? So click and drag. What is the next tip? Yes, move the scroll wheel of the mouse to and fro to zoom in and to zoom out. So my dear students, for zooming in and zooming out, what you have to do, you have to use the scroll wheel of mouse. You all know that every mouse is having a scrolling wheel. You have to use that for zooming in and for zooming out. So I'll show it now. Move your scrolling wheel forward. Now it is zooming in. Move your scrolling wheel backward. Now it is zooming out. Is it clear, my dear students? It's very simple. Okay, now what is the last tip? Move the mouse pointer to the left or bottom of the screen to see the toolbars. Okay, to the left or bottom of the screen to see what? To see the toolbars. So I'll show it now. You have to move your mouse pointer towards the left. Now you can see this is one of the toolbar and there are so many tools here. You can see a location window, date and time window, search window, like that. Okay, so this is the toolbar at the left side. Now what you have to do, move the mouse pointer to the bottom. Now you can see the other toolbar at the bottom. There are so many tools here, you can check that. Okay, so there are two toolbars, one is at the left side and the other one is at the bottom. Is it clear, my dear students? So what is our next topic? Yes, tools used in Stellarium. This is very important topic. We have 4 tools. I'll explain one by one. Okay, my dear students, and I will show each one in the Stellarium application in detail. Okay, so what is the first one? Location window. So what will be its use? Yes, location window is used to set the location. okay, to set the location or place on the computer screen. Okay, my dear student, so I will show it in the Stellarium software, then it will be very clear for you. So I am going to set the location as Thiruvananthapuram in Kerala. Okay, so you take the Stellarium. What you have to do, you move to the left side toolbar and the first tool. Okay, here you can see location window. Make a left click on that tool. Now you can see a window is open like this. What should be the second step? You can see here a search box. Can you see here? A cursor is moving. Yes. Click there and you type Thiruvananthapuram. When you type that, you can see here a line is appearing. What is that? Thiruvananthapuram, India. You make a click here. Now the location is Thiruvananthapuram here. Okay, you can see this is Thiruvananthapuram at the night time. Is it clear, my dear students? So what is the use of location window? It is used to set the location or place on the computer screen. So I have written here the detailed steps, whatever we have done now in the Stellarium. What we have done, first step, click on location window tool from the toolbar. Okay, after that a window will be open. Type the name of the place. What we have typed, Thiruvananthapuram. Okay, what is the third step? While typing, a line will appear. We have seen that like this, Thiruvananthapuram, India. Click on that line, and finally you close the location window. Now the location will be set. Is it clear, my dear students? Now what is the second tool? Yes, search window. So what will be its use? Search window is used to search the celestial objects. So what do you mean by celestial objects? I have written here examples: the sun, moon, planets, etc. So whatever things outside the earth atmosphere is known as celestial objects. So I repeat, it is used to search the celestial objects. What do you mean by celestial objects? Sun, moon, planets, etc. Okay, so I'll show it in the Stellarium. So first what you have to do, you have to move to the left side toolbar. Here you can see search window. Click on that. Now a window will be opened. You can see here search window. Now I am going to search the sun. Okay, so you click here and you type sun and you press the enter key in the keyboard. Now you can see the sun here. Okay, just zoom. This is the sun. Is it clear, my dear students? Suppose if you want to search for moon, what you have to do, again go to this search window. You can type here moon and you press enter key in the keyboard. Now you can see here moon, this black spot. You can see here it is written here moon, this rotating thing. Okay, moon. Is it clear, my dear students, how to search the celestial objects using search window? Now what is our third tool? date time window. So from the name itself it is understood that it is used to set the date and time. It is used to set the date and time in Stellarium window. So I'll show it in Stellarium. At the left side you can see here this is date time window. Click on that. Now you can see here at the left a window is opened. At the left side of this window you can set the date. The first one is year, this one is month, and this one is date. And you can see if you want to change this date, you can see small triangles here, arrow. Just click on that. If you want to change month, you can change the month like this. If you want to change the date, you can change the date like this. Is it clear, my dear students? And at the right side you can see this is time. So the first one is hour, this one is minute, and this one is second. So if you want to change this, you can click on this arrow. If you want to change the minute, you can click on this arrow. If you want to change the second also, you can click on this arrow. So is it clear, my dear students? Hope all are clear. And our final tool, what is the tool? Sender on selected object. So what is its use? I have written here. It is used to fix the position of the object, position of the celestial object at the center of the screen. Okay, so we can place the objects at the center of the screen. Now you can see here our sun is at the right top corner. It is not in the center. Suppose if you want to place this sun at the center of the screen, what you have to do, you can see at the bottom there is a toolbar, and you just select this tool. You can see this one, center on selected object. Click on that, then you can see the sun will be placed at the center. Now I am going to click. You can see here, yes, the sun is placed at the center of the screen. So that is a use of that tool. So these are the tools, 4 tools we have to study in Stellarium. Very, very important. So location window means it is used to set the location, like Thiruvananthapuram or any place. What is the second tool? Search window. What is the use of it? It is used to search the celestial objects. What do you mean by celestial objects? Yes, example, sun, moon, planet, okay, whatever outside the Earth's atmosphere. What is the third tool? Date time window. What is its use? It is used to set the date and time. And what is the last tool? Sender on selected object. Yes, it is to place the object at the center of the screen. Okay, to fix the position of the object at the center of the screen. So hope all are clear about these tools.